In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check liked reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at menu icon and select your activity. Then tap at likes. You will be taken to the page where you can find all the posts and reels you have ever liked on that Instagram profile. So we can just scroll down or up. Also, we can sort it by newest to oldest, all days, or authors. After that, we can in that way check our liked reels, and if we would like to unlike it, we can easily do so by hitting at that highlighted heart icon. That's how you can easily check liked reels on Instagram.